All right, Sightseeing with Dignity, 61, video part 7, July 17th, 2025, Thursday. I went over this a little bit, expanded his shoulders, gave a collar similar, kind of akin to the jacket I remember he wore when we took the subway from Kew Gardens into Manhattan, down to like Spring Street, lower Manhattan. And we were in an empty subway car, I remember. I had already stopped smoking marijuana. This is sometime in November or December, probably, 1968. And Alvin had a joint and he smoked it. I was nearby. And that was his trip. Anyway, thank you, Dr. Chi. I appreciate your feedback, darling. Good work. Okay, I'm doing a extemporaneous allegorical sea monster over here. I'm at the right elbow holding the camera, right hand elbow down to keep the paper from drifting apart. From slipping. Oops. Wish I might make this two-headed, get my paper slipping. I need more clips here. Okay. Do the best I can. And in a minute I'm going to show the viewers here that even though it's in a plastic bag, the Sightseeing with Dignity Human Rights Research drawing I did a few years ago of Tim Buckley, who died of a heroin overdose when he was 27, if my memory serves. Great singer-songwriter. I still enjoy his music. She was a high school friend, two different high school friends, not Alvin, but two women I know from the anti-war crowd. One of them introduced me to the music of Donovan Leitch. The other one introduced me to the music of Tim Buckley. Yes, all right. Donovan's still with us. He must be in his 80s now. All right. So let's I'll just stand over here. The drawing I did of Tim Buckley. This is a quick drawing. I see it's dated December 30th, 2018 to January 2nd, 2019. I did it over the course of 3 days. Grr. Allegorical sea monsters. And a bird I drew on the beach somewhere. I have to reread my notes from. I might have done that in Florida, I forget. I used to visit Florida for years. All right, Tim Buckley of blessed memory. Great singer-songwriter. And now it's a whole new generation of people. Wholly different drug than the drugs back in my day. People are dying now from fentanyl, I think it's called. It was unheard of back then. Back in my day, people were into marijuana, LSD, acid, speed, methamphetamine. Some people got into heroin. Whew. Okay, there you have it, to be continued. Thank you, Dr. Chi. Prime Minister Massel, always good to hear your melodic feedback. Yes.